Hello guys, welcome back to Atall Robotics. In this video, we are going to make automatic hand dispenser machine specifically for sanitizers. Means you can only use sanitizers with this machine. And this is the last video of Arduino for absolute beginners. If you haven't checked this playlist, you can check that. The first link in the description is of this playlist only, and in this video we are going to see everything like from parts required to circuit diagram, line by line coding, everything. And we will construct this project from scratch in this video. So it's my guarantee that if you watch this video from start to end, you will be able to make this project very easily and follow the general procedure like, share and subscribe, and also comment down how was this video. With that, let's start this video. Now let's see the components required for this project. We need a IR sensor, we need our Arduino and a USB cable for it, one pump. This is a mini pump which comes with the rating of 3.3 to 12 volts, and these are some jumper wires. We need to connect these things with our Arduino. And here you can see that this is a 12-inch approximately 12-inch pipe for this pump, and a container. This is the container for containing the sanitizer, and of course we need some sanitizers. So these are the parts we need for making this project. Now let's see the circuit diagram. This is our circuit diagram. This is the pump, this is IR sensor, and this is our Arduino. And the connection is very simple. The VCC of IR is connected to 5 volt of Arduino. Ground of IR is connected to ground of Arduino, and the out of IR sensor is connected to pin 2 of Arduino. And similarly for pump, in pump you will see there are two wires, black and red. So I will connect the black wire to ground of Arduino, and the red wire is connected to pin number 3. Actually you can connect the out and the red wire of pump to any of the digital pin except 0 and 1. Please don't connect any pin to pin 0 and 1, because this is used for serial communication. In this playlist I have explained this so many times. So this is the simple circuit diagram for this project. So now let's start constructing our project. So now let's connect these pump and IR sensor with Arduino as given in our circuit diagram. So first of all, I will use male to female jumper wire to connect IR sensor to Arduino. And now here you can see that this is our pump. There is 2 wire. So here you can see that there are 2 wires, red and black. I have just cut down this one male to male jumper wire in 2 pieces, and now I will just connect this with one with red and one with black and put a tape on them. And here the connection is completed. Now let's go and write a simple program for this, and then we will construct our project. So here we started a new sketch. Now I will just write. So we have used 2 pins, pin number 2 and 3. So pin mode 2 comma input. What? 2 comma input. Here we are connecting IR sensor out pin. Then pin mode 3 comma output. Here we are connecting red wire of pump, right? And now I will just make a, okay, so here O is also capital, but it should be in small. Now I will actually if you're not able to understand why this line or what I did, you can watch the IR sensor video which is available in this playlist only. Here I will make a variable of int type, and I will name it as x, and just store the value x is equal to digital read pin number 2. Now whatever the value we get from our IR sensor, will be stored in this X. And from our previous experience, we already know that um, when we bring our hand near IR sensor, it becomes 0, and when there is no obstacle in front of it, it is 1. So I will simply write a if else case. If X is equal to 0, means at this point it is getting some obstacle. When obstacle is in front of IR sensor, okay, then what we will do means at this point, actually we should not write obstacle, I will write when our hand is in front of IR sensor, then what we will do, we'll turn on the pump. That's very simple. So we'll write digital write pin number 3 comma high, turn on pump, turn on pump, and when pump will be turned on, it will put some sanitizer on our hand. That's very simple. And we will also give a delay of around let's say 5 seconds. Actually we will need to fine adjust, you need to fine adjust this, because suppose if I am keeping my hand in front of IR sensor, then it will keep pouring sanitizer in my hand, and I don't want that. It will just pour the sanitizer for 5 seconds and it will then stop. So that's why I'm doing this, like turn on and then digital write pin 3 comma low. So turn off pump, and here here I will write give sanitizer, spelling is correct for sanitizer, leave it, give sanitizer for 5 seconds, okay, and then turn off the pump. Else, like when there is no obstacle is in front of else I can say when hand is not in front of IR sensor, then what we will do, digital write 3 comma low, turn off pump, here it should be pump, right, turn off pump, and then at last I will just give a very small delay of 200 milliseconds, and that's it for our project. This is the very simple code, and we're done with our coding, and I will just verify it, give it auto pump. I'll just give it the name of auto pump, okay, and save it. Now it's compiling. I don't think there should be any error, and done. Compiling is done, there is no error. Now I will just connect our Arduino and just upload this. So done uploading. So now let's go and construct our project. So now let's start the construction. So this is our container. So now I will cut a cap for this container, because we know that our sanitizer is a volatile substance. It will evaporate at room temperature also. That's why I'm cutting a cap for this our container using a cardboard. So cap for our container is ready. So now I will put every necessary component at their place. Sorry guys, initially I forget to mention that we also need a piece of iron like this, iron wire, a strong iron wire, so that we can make the pipe firm at its place like this. For that we will use this thing. So so temporarily I have fixed everything at their place. Now let's check this system by doing a dry run. think we are ready for the dry run. So our system is ready. Now let's check it's working or not. Yes. Okay, so I think the 5 second is too big. I will now I will reduce its time. I told you that we need to change something, so here the this point, the 5 second is too big, so let's start with doing 1 second. So I will start with 1000 millisecond means 1 second, and now I will just upload it. Now let's check if our sanitizer is yeah, it's good. Even 1 second is too big. I think it's giving too much of sanitizer in my hand. So let's do with 500 milliseconds, and let's upload this. Now I think it will give. Okay, now 500 seconds. So now our sanitizer will be given in our hand for half second. Now let's see if it's going correct or not. No, as here you can see that whenever it's coming, but it's not coming in our hand, right? It's working fine, but I have to now what I have done, I have changed the pin number here because it was not working with pin number 3, so I have done pin number 4, and here we need to also increase this. So I will do this to 1000 milliseconds. Actually 2000 milliseconds will be good, or 3000. Let's check at 3000 milliseconds. That's great. Or I should reduce it to 2000 only. So now I'm going with 2000, and I have to increase it to 1000 only. So basically we are playing with delay only in this project. So now I think it should work fine. Or I should go with 1200. Then we are getting too much of sanitizer in hand, and right now we are not getting enough. So we have to calibrate that. Now let's see. Yes, this is the perfect amount of sanitizer that we want in our hand. So guys, now our project is ready. I will just go off camera and make it fix everything at its place and wrap it in a sticker, and then I will show its final output. So guys, this is our final project. Here you can see that I have fixed all the electronics here and make a separate cabinet for it, and I will just close it like this. And I have also made a space so that here, so that we can insert sanitizer inside our this container, and after that we can put this sticker on, and this box will be sealed, completely sealed, and there will be no evaporation of our sanitizers. So now let's put the sanitizer in the box. Now our tank is full. Now we'll turn on this system. Now I will show you it's giving the sanitizer perfectly, and like this. So guys, that's it for this video and this playlist. I am finishing Arduino for absolute beginners here. I really enjoyed making videos and helping you guys. If you face any problem, you can message me on Instagram as well as in comment section. With that, signing out. See you next time. Bye guys.